is Simon Fox. If you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified when I upload. I upload every Wednesday and Saturday. And if you're returning, welcome back. Like always, this is never about subscribers nor about money, but about love and light. So with that being said, we're going to be getting into today's video. Today's look is a Christmas eyeshadow tutorial, an easy eyeshadow tutorial. I want to say this is a really easy tutorial that you can get by yourself at home with just the right colors. It doesn't even have to be name brand products. You can literally use the same shades and I promise it will work out the same. I just really don't see the difference between like drugstore and high-end too much. Obviously there is a big price difference, but as far as like how it performs, that all really depends on how you use it. So yeah, use it to your advantage and use what you got. So it really doesn't matter what you got. But yeah, today we're going to do this Christmas eyeshadow tutorial, and I'm actually using this palette by Morphe and Lisa Frank. It's the Morphe and Lisa Frank collab. I was really shocked about getting this palette. I got PR from my boyfriend, obviously, but he usually gets me palettes that he thinks that I will like. I never really look at palettes like that, just because for me, I could use even just the James Charles palette and create multiple looks, just because it has a variety of shade ranges and it has colors and all kinds of stuff. So yeah, I could get away with something like that, but honestly this is freaking gorgeous. This is so sickening, so cute, from the packaging literally, and how holographic it is to the shades. I'm so freaking obsessed with the shade range. I'm really excited to start creating more looks with these colors, just because this screams like rainbows and like just colorful looks, and y'all already know I live for colorful looks. Like that's where I like to master, you know what I mean? I like to play with colors and blend shades and do all that good stuff. I do love me some natural looks sometimes, but today that's not the type of look that we're going for. So with that being said, we're going to be getting into this tutorial. I hope they all love it as much as I do. I am living for it. From the eyeshadows to the lip, I'm obsessed. So with that being said, I hope to see y'all in it. If y'all recreate it, DM me or tag me. I would love to see it and repost it on my Instagram. And yeah, let's just jump straight into this video. So like always, starting off with my ABH eye primer. Y'all already know I live by this. I use it in every single tutorial. It's literally a primer and a concealer in one, and it skips the whole process of having to do them separately. So why not just do it in one? I would highly suggest this because it is full coverage and it will make your eyeshadow game pop. It will make your eyeshadows pop like no other. It will make them look vibrant, bright, pigmented, all that good stuff. Right here, as you can see, I'm just setting it with the white in the shade Blanca, and then we're gonna be going in and jumping in with fun colors today. Well, actually, we're just using green today just because it is more of Christmas vibes. It is Christmas spirit season, so yeah, it's very exciting. It's very fun. It's almost my birthday, you guys. I'm gonna be 22. It's crazy because it's just crazy how long I've been wanting to do YouTube, and now I'm doing YouTube, and I'm gonna be 22, and I really wanted to start this years ago, but you know, it's never too late to start. So yeah, going in with the shade Zoomer and Zorbit first, and I'm just using that right there from the outer portion. I would say halfway to the middle. I wouldn't really bring it in too much forward, just because I really wanted it to give me more of a cat eye look as well, just because I feel like it suits my eye more. And yeah, that's just the type of eyeshadow look I was going for today. I was in the mood for it, okay? So I mean, if you want to bring it all the way in, you can. This look will still look just as gorgeous. Ignore the messages. But yeah, it will still look just as gorgeous. But yeah, I'm just using that from the outer portion of my crease, and now I'm blending it up and out. By the way, you guys, I would highly suggest for y'all to put tape on your eye. Make sure that they're both even. Make sure to put them on at the same time so y'all know that they're even. And that way your eyeshadow game will always come out even. And all you gotta do is worry about the face. But yeah, that's usually pretty easy. So here I'm taking the shade Forest just to deepen up that outer corner. And you guys, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I was shooketh. I was so shooketh. Like I said, ignore the messages, it's my boyfriend. Oh my god, I'm gonna text you back. Like, chill. So yeah, it's just in the outer portion, and literally, it is so freaking cute. Like, these shades blend like no other. They blend like a dream. I don't even think you have to be professional to literally even get the blend that you want, just because these shades blend themselves out. Like, they're so soft and so beautiful on the eye. I don't even know how to explain it. And I can't wait to use more eyeshadows for other looks, because literally, if the greens can do that, which mind you, green eyeshadows are very hard to make and they don't always blend best, from my experience at least. But yeah, I'm excited to jump in to more colors very, very soon, especially with this Lisa Frank palette, because I'm obsessed with Lisa Frank. Like, I always wanted to get a coloring book, but I couldn't get a coloring book because, you know, I was just afraid that my family was gonna judge me. Not that I was afraid, because bitch, they were gonna judge me. I mean, it has like ponies and rainbows and shit, but you know, they were trying to keep me and stray me into the street lead, obviously, but I didn't go that way. I don't think that ever works. You are who you are. You are who you're born to be. So let that be a lesson to everybody. Anywho, so now I just cut my crease with a cotton swab. Yes, a cotton swab. And then I'm just taking my concealer now by P. Louise, and I just cut my crease right over that. And now I'm going in with the shade Peekaboo, and I definitely found out that it works better applying it with my finger. You get more pigment, so just something to keep in mind. And now we're going back in with the shade Forest, just to blend those two together, just to make everything look seamless and flawless and blend together and look absolutely gorgeous. You guys, if you have been subscribed to me, you have no idea how freaking thankful I am. It would mean the world to me if you subscribe to me for my birthday. Like I said, I'm gonna be 22. I will be putting out a Christmas birthday look. But yeah, like I said, thank you so much for your support, and I will see you on my next video. Alright, Foxies, so this is the finished look on this easy Christmas eyeshadow tutorial. I really... Pause. So we created this look using the Morphe X Lisa Frank collab. I'm honestly so freaking obsessed with how cute this is. So I actually created a look inspired by Lisa Frank a while back. I actually created this look last year for the James Charles contest, or it was the James Charles casting call for his show that he was doing. If y'all didn't get to watch that video, y'all should probably go watch that, because honestly it was my first entry and it was so much fun. I think it was actually my second entry. I'm lying. Yeah, it was definitely my second entry, because my first one was not my favorite and it wasn't as creative as I could have been. I was definitely just downplaying myself a lot and wasn't trusting my technique, and so I ended up doing a second entry. And I don't know if you've seen that entry, but that ended up being my favorite entry, because obviously it was the more, well, it was just a Lisa Frank inspired look actually. So yeah, y'all should go check it out, because it's like a rainbow cheetah, very inspired by Lisa Frank, just because that was definitely her thing. She always had like cheetah prints, she always had rainbows, she always had like ponies. I don't know, I'm obsessed. And yeah, I ended up loving the look so much. I ended up loving the palette so much. I can't wait to create more looks with this palette. But for now, I hope that y'all love this Christmas look. I hope to see y'all in it, just because this is definitely a Christmas look. And bring out your big lashes. Don't be scared to bring out your big lashes. This is Christmas. This is the time to go all out. This is not a time to be ashamed, especially around your family. I know sometimes families got the most to say, but this is where you got to ground yourself and center yourself and know that you are a bad, period. So go get you some big lashes, whether it's gonna be for Christmas or just any day that you want to rock this look. It don't matter. Go get you some big lashes. Stop caring about what people think, period. Alright, with that being said, thank you so much for watching this video. Like always, I always have so much fun creating tutorials for y'all and with y'all. And yeah, if y'all recreate it, please make sure to tag me or DM me. I would love to see it and repost it on my Instagram. And until next time, I will see y'all in my next video. Alright, bye Foxies.